Hello, my name is Max Kenny, Project Engineer for the Kennebec Water District. Thank you for taking time to watch this video presentation for the Western Avenue Water Main Improvements Project that Kennebec Water District is undertaking in Fairfield this summer. During this video, we will review the construction team, the need for the project's location, the temporary water system that will be developed for the project, the traffic control plan, the anticipated schedule of the project, and then discuss how you can follow up with Kennebec Water District with any additional questions that you may have. The construction team consists of Kennebec Water District as the owner and operator of the public water system in Fairfield. The contractor for this project will be Nitram Excavation, who was selected via a competitive bid process earlier this year, and the Maine Drinking Water Program as the funding partner for this project. The project is located on Western Avenue in Fairfield from the intersection of West Street to the railroad tracks just east of Newhall Street. A few local landmarks that you can see here include the Lawrence Junior High and High School complex. Hillman's Bakery is located here along the project route, and then the Circle K at the intersection of Western Avenue and Main Street in Fairfield is located here. Kennebec Water District's 2018 comprehensive plan identified this section of water main for replacement for many reasons. The existing pipe was installed in the early 1900s and is cast iron material, which is at the end of its useful life. There have been numerous emergency water main repairs over the past several years. Those who live locally probably remember the water main break from earlier this year in February, and then most recently on May 19th of this year. The existing water main is undersized for the water demands in the Fairfield area. There's an upcoming DOT paving project on Western Avenue, and Kennebec Water District is hoping to get this water main replaced prior to that work, so we won't have to cut into the new pavement. There are future main replacements on Main Street and other side streets in the area. This project is really going to set Kennebec Water District up for success in those future projects. And then we're also looking to replace the water main that crosses under the railroad tracks east of Newhall Street in the coming years, so this project will put us in a good position to do that quickly in the future. The contractor will install a temporary water system throughout the project area to supply homes and businesses along the project route with water throughout the duration of the project. The temporary water system will include above-ground piping that is tied into each water service at the property line. All water usage will be metered as normal into each of the homes and businesses along the route. In order to connect and disconnect the temporary water system, there will be short-duration water outages for each property individually. These water outages are typically less than an hour, but we will work with each property owner before and during this process so you are updated as to when your water will be turned back on. And we do ask that anybody driving, walking through the area, watch for barricades and cones that will prevent damage to the temporary water system, as well as possible trips or injuries to yourself. The Kennebec Water District has worked with our contractor to develop a traffic control plan that is intended to minimize impacts to motorists as well as pedestrians as they travel through the project area. The work zone will be as compact as possible and move along Western Avenue as the work is completed. We do anticipate that one lane of the road will be closed whenever construction activities are taking place, with alternating flows of traffic. There may be short-duration detours along Western Avenue, although those are not anticipated at this time. We do ask that motorists as well as pedestrians watch for signs, flaggers, and stoplights that will direct flow throughout the project area. We ask that motorists seek alternate routes if possible as to limit congestion in the project area. The schedule for this project includes typical work hours of 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Some night work is required of the contractor to limit disruptions for temporary water outages. We do not anticipate any weekend or holiday work throughout the duration of this project. The Kennebec Water District is requiring that the contractor pave weekly. Work will begin in late July and is anticipated to be completed in October of this year. The sequence of work will include temporary water installation, water main replacement, and temporary water removal. We do anticipate that this project will be completed in 2 phases, split at the High Street area. Prior to any water outages, you will be provided with advance notice. This will include a hand-delivered flyer as well as a notice posted to the Kennebec Water District Facebook page. We'll also be posting bi-weekly updates for the construction of this project to the district's Facebook page, so if you haven't taken the time to like that on Facebook, we do encourage you to do so. I will be the primary contact throughout the duration of this project for Kennebec Water District, and again, my name is Max Kenny, the district's project engineer. Bill, our engineering technician, will be on site daily overseeing the construction and representing Kennebec Water District. If you have any additional questions after this video, you are welcome to call us at 207-872-2763 or email us at info@kennebecwater.org. We'll be happy to answer any questions and provide additional information to you about this project. We appreciate you taking time to watch this video and appreciate your support and patience throughout the duration of construction for this important project for Kennebec Water.